All right, guys, this ESC got to go back to castle. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but when I pull full throttle, it resets. I got a video of it. Shut down on me. What? What happened there? This the XLX that came out the Exceed. So I kind of had it for a while. It's bald now, but I just put it in another rig with another receiver. It still was doing the same thing. So, and that's after I tried it with this motor, the Voisin motor on 8S. I didn't even get the 60 something, and the car started shutting off for me. And ever since then, ESC started acting up. So right now, this car is down from the ESC. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get this back. So I'm gonna take off all my, cause I just threw 8 mils on here. About to take all my bullets off and send this back to Castle. I'm not sure if they're gonna warranty it, but we'll see. So for right now, Exceed is down. I just tried putting it in the circuit. Let me show y'all. I didn't. Oh, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, anyway, I didn't even get to try this motor out yet. Just been running it on the table. I don't got no ESC right now to handle it. So we'll see what happens. Y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube. So we back with the Exceed. I did go ahead and grab a Monster. I got this for 60 bucks. This after the XLX gave up on me. So I threw this in here for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some test hits. It's only some mild gearing on here. About to run it on 4S. I did do some test hits. I'll let y'all see a little bit of it. This ESC does hit harder than that XLX I had in there. I'm not sure why, but you let me know if you could tell a difference. And we'll go from there. Right now it's on 4S. I might try 6S, but we'll see what happens. I did change the diff fluid, so I want to see how it's handling. And this is after that video I changed the diff fluid. So let's go ahead and give it some test hits. I'm on the road right now. I'll probably go over there. I'm not sure yet, but let's see. All right, guys, it's gonna be some 4S test hits. Just trying to see where it's at. Yeah, tell me I don't notice that difference. No cap pack or nothing, as y'all seen. And this is on 4S. I thought I was hearing some clicking from the diff, so that's why I went ahead and messed with the diff fluid. Check the diffs, but I ain't see nothing. That was a good hit. Let this car go by. Definitely had a lot more in there. You know what's happening? Staring up too high. There we go. 4S, y'all. Still on 4S. Came to the parking lot because there was too much traffic out there on the streets. So let's see what she do. That's 4S, y'all. Hey. Look at them 11s. Boy, 11s coming down. Damn, what that temperature on the ground is? 57. Let's see, we line straight in those spots there. I think I'm gonna definitely try 6S next. It's gonna be 6S, y'all. See if it holds. It's still 6S, y'all. See what she got on that 6S. Temps. Hope y'all seeing that. The motor, I'm at 122. This 6S, y'all. Them launches are serious. That's not bad. That Mamba Monster ain't no game. They're already down to 68. That can't be. Nah, it's at 84. Hope y'all seeing that. Alright, let's go get some more test hits in and I'll test it again. Mamba Monster, beast. Joke. Had that staring up too high. Alright, y'all, this is gonna be the last test hit and then I'm gonna test the temps, see where we at. But for right now, till I get the other XLX back, I'm gonna have to run this Mamba Monster in here, and then I'll figure out what I'll throw it in after. But let's see what she do. Oh, wasn't good. Alright, y'all, this is the 6S test attempts. I am getting a little bit of stalling in the beginning now. Motor, the ESC's at 117. The motor, 146. I think it's the motor. I got a T, because I was getting it stalling before when the motor heated up. And I was getting stalling before, but I got a TP, but I'm not sure if this Mamba Monster gonna handle it, so I don't know. I think I just won't wait till the XLX come back and then we'll go from there.